You call the shots because you have the ideas, big ideas. But have your big ideas been too big to reach your audience? Or are your marketing methods simply too small to carry your big ideas? There is a way to share your message with your audience so that they will receive and share it all while driving growth for your business or organization. On the Brink Media Group increases your brand's exposure by developing an enhanced experience for users of mobile devices and increases your online audience through customized branded video content viewable on any device. Contact us at 213-207-6962 or at info@onthebrinkmediagroup.com to see how we can help you share your big ideas.
Created using Powtoon.